me, Jamie, and Dolly from the JO Group, our YouTube channel.
Hi guys, what's up? Today we got some very good news.
Yup. This is going to be a vlog, not going to be really long. Just going to say something. We're going to putting on a lot more videos, but
And
I'm
you
going to show you
guys-
this video.
Peace out. We got a brand new Mazda CX-5. Yeah.
We got a brand new full drive.
It also has seat warmers.
Yep, it's a 4-wheel drive Mazda CX-5 GT. It's gigantic. It doesn't look really big. Actually, no, it kind of does. Like, if you look at me, the wheel is literally up to my pants.
Yeah, and then guys,
Big
look
it
at
is.
me. The wheel is literally up to my waist.
Yeah, I know, it's not yours. The car's not even tall. That's our old car, new. Let's make it before, after. It's a huge car.
We're so
giant
happy.
4-wheel drive. Just got it.
Yeah.
That's crazy. Let's hop in. I'm gonna go to the driver's seat. It is the Mazda. Gonna hop in it. Skitty and Ollie's already in here.
Hi guys.
I'm in the driver's seat, yo. Driver's seat.
Alright guys, look.
Giant car.
Guys, look. It also has it also has a button. You don't need a key.
Don't
To turn
press
on.
that.
I know.
Yeah, and look, all these cool buttons on screen.
Alright, look guys. When you reverse, it shows you like what's
Yeah, I
behind
know.
it.
All it has that.
Yeah.
So cool. It's even got a sunroof.
Yeah,
Look.
I know, but the car needs to be turned on.
Yeah,
to
look.
put
See, close it here.
Yeah, like
That's closing it. Open it. And then
like
you
if
can
it's a
open
really
the glass.
sunny,
Yeah.
like if it's a really sunny day and the driver's getting it in his eyes, he's like, what the heck? Let's just shut it.
Yeah. But
That's
or you can
the
open the
exactly.
glass too.
Oh, yeah, but the
It's
car needs to be
crazy,
turned
yeah.
on for that, and we're not
Here's
allowed
a
to turn
glove
it on.
box.
Oh, and look, guys, this also moves forward.
Yeah. Oh, crazy.
Oh, and guys, guess what? There's actually seat warmers in
Yep.
the front,
Seat
but not
warmers.
in the back. And
Yeah.
look, we've got 2 iPad holders. So like
iPad holders.
yeah, one
Long
there
journeys.
and one
One
there.
there.
So like
Long
guys,
journeys. Put an iPad there. Sit back and chillax. It's a
and,
leather.
or we can just play our
leather
iPads
car.
or something or watch
It's
a
so
show.
awesome. I want to check what this is. Oh, look at this. That's cool. Ready? Oh,
Oh, mine's just a single
Oh.
one. You have a double.
I think yeah.
Show me. Yeah, you have a double one. Like, but I have.
Oh, wait, do I?
Yeah.
Oh, wait, cool. Oh no, I can keep cards there. Cool.
But I
So
can't, because the driver has to keep cards and things, like his
Yeah.
wallet.
yeah. Oh no, I just like
Or
driver's
he
license.
can keep the wallet like there.
Obviously.
That's good.
2 cup holders. Grab my Coke. Put it back. Yay! Alright. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn your notifications.
And guys-
Make a video.
Guys, you have to like and subscribe and turn on your notifications, because we just got a brand new Mazda CX-5,
Yup. Oh, that's cool.
and it's so epic.
And we've got a new car, and now we're gonna buy a new house to go along with it. We'll be doing a tour of when we get a new house. We're doing a tour of that, but we haven't got a new house yet. But we've got ourselves a new car to go with the new house.
Yeah.
Yep. This is literally, it's like 1.5 hours old. Literally 1.5 hours old. So it's my baby.
And the last car we got was
The last car we got like is 9 years old now. Yeah.
oh look,
And then we have another car, and that's like 20 years old.
guys, look at this.
And that's like the first car we had. And now
look-
my brother has that car, and then we had the Subaru, and
Yeah,
now we have the
21-year-old
Mazda.
brother got our very old car. And guys, look at this. No, in our old car, you normally have to pull the glove box open like that, but now watch this. I'm just gonna pull that up, and it just goes up automatically.
Yep. That's so sick. And by the way, the boot opens automatically too.
Yeah, I know, man.
It's so awesome. Oh, it's such an awesome car. Oh, goodbye, everyone.